Good day, fellow students. My name is Janine White, your candidate for Guild Treasurer 2010-2011. As Guild Treasurer, I will be an advocate for transparency. I will provide efficient and accurate documentations of all transactions made by the Guild of Students. I will be resourceful. All financial decisions will be made with thorough involvement of the entire Finance Committee. I will make measurable targets regarding the income, expected loss, and profits of the Guild of Students. I also seek to foster excellent interpersonal and business relationships with all clubs, societies, and organizations under the Guild scope. This year, March 8th, come out and see me at the Guild debates, and on March 10th, at the Guild election, I need your vote. So remember, I'm Janine White, your candidate for Guild Treasurer, trying to make common sense of your sense.